What's up guys, welcome back to another BBA tips, and today we're cooking chocolate chip banana cake. So the first thing we want to do is melt 100 grams of butter. So we want 2 cups of flour in a mixing bowl, so let's do that. So the next ingredient is half a cup of milk. So next we add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So then we add 2 eggs to the mixture. Then add half a teaspoon of baking soda to the mix. So then 1 teaspoon of salt. And then add a bit of vanilla extract. Don't be shy with that. I was a bit heavy-handed with the vanilla extract, so maybe next time I should do a little bit less. The only other thing you want is 1 tablespoon of honey, but sadly, Lips left it at home. So what you want is 3 really old, black, skanky bananas, and we're gonna squash it up like smashed avocado and put it into the mixture. Gotta crush it all up. So you want to get it so it looks like baby food. For the final ingredient, a handful of chocolate chips, but unfortunately ours are melted. So you want to grease this cake tin with butter and then put the mixture in. So it should look like a normal sort of cake mixture. Now it's time to prepare the camp oven. So with the camp oven, you want to trim it at the bottom to circulate the air underneath, and then you just put it in and you're good to go. So let's take a look. Why not?
Right, let's have a look.
Okay, let's
See what the Butler's work's like. Oh, it's looking good, it's cooking.
Ooh.
That looks amazing. Not ready yet though.
So when we took the lid off for our second check, the top of it looks like it's burning, so we're going to take some coals. So we're taking quite a few coals off and push them around the edges. I think this is probably ready. Lips, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah. Let's take a look. It's smelling pretty good. I can smell it.
Yeah, I can smell it too.
So what we ended up doing in the end was just putting the coals underneath because there was too much heat above, so the pot's just sitting on the coals.
Oh. Test it. Oh.
That's
done. That's done. That has
hang on, there's a bit of, yeah, it's probably the banana actually. I think that's done.
That has to be done.
I think that's done.
So there's the cake, and I say it looks pretty good.
Do the honours, Butler.
Okay. Wow, it's like slicing into a birthday cake. Oh, it's so soft in the middle. Shit. Oh, it's a bit gooey in the middle.
Oh, that looks amazing. Right, you can go first. Oh, I like it better when it's cold, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm going to try it. Right.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No!
That is amazing.
Bruh.
You did a good job there, Butler. It needs a little bit longer though. Maybe we just put it back in for a bit. But that is really good.
Yeah. Oh!
Stop it.
Stop it.
What we forgot to do, it's supposed to have walnuts, crushed walnuts on the top, which we did forget to do, and that gives it a really good crunch, and we forgot about that. And we forgot the honey, but that's okay.
No one.
That is so good.
What honey?
Anyway, we're going to plough into this, aren't we?
Yes. This is dinner.
This is dinner. Well, thank you, Butler, for cooking.
Welcome.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the Butler cooking. I wasn't sure whether he was going to stuff it up, but you've done a marvellous job.
It was really good.
And we'll see you guys in the next episode.
See ya, Butlers. Don't forget and make sure to like, subscribe, follow on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And comment on one of our videos if you have any good ideas that you want to watch.
And I highly recommend making this bad boy. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Anyway, take it easy, Butlers. See you next time.
See you, Butlers.